In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the VW rcd310 stereo system fitted to a Mark 6 Volkswagen Golf. This is how to adjust the sound settings. Middle, it's the bass in the middle there. Keep it in the middle there. You don't go full bass, just think it distorts the audio. Off. Here's the volume control. Well, you got radio, but we can't have the sound on, I'm afraid, but due to I can't have the radio on at all. Due to YouTube, a flag up these songs on the radio, we copyright strike, so I don't get my video channel taken down. Got media, TP, that means traffic. Menu, text, radio text setup. Got that's for the Bluetooth, we have Bluetooth on this car. Great radio on the radio stations. Media, we've got a CD player. I will test out the CD player. Got no CDs to test it out with. In the boot. We don't list the CDs in the car anymore. This is 2024 now, guys. We don't list the CDs in the car anymore. Let's go up to this is an old player aux cord. How you can play music for your phone now. I've got a new Android phone, the Samsung A24 Ultra. There's no headphone port at the top of it. My old phone had. Just plug it in there. It'll cut the video out. I'm gonna do that. This is out of the car at the moment. Let's try and put this on the it will be an AM one. Sorry.
Protect your car with the multi-award-winning next-phase IQ.
Do the windows up and do a sound test. We've got the Golf back now from the garage because the clutch down there fouled, so you're back in the Golf now, it's fixed now. Got all round electric windows with the window lock button. I can lock the rear window out if you wanted to. Large lockable glove compartment. Let's go look this off. That's cool. Oh, that's cool. I unlock the Golf again. I unlock the Golf again. Lights. Got reading lights, map lights for driver and passenger. We've got a vanity mirror. Air vents. Heated front seat. This is for front heated front seats. We've got rear window air conditioning with circulate button. That's the fan speed. Tuning zones. Sound, got CD. There's no CD in the unit. No CD, no compact disc. 5-speed manual transmission. 5-speed manual.
Delays on the M6 northbound after a lorry breakdown between junction 32 to the M55 and 32.
That's a traffic on you. Okay. Oh. Well done. Let's do this.
But I think a number of independent.
And for the heater, there's nothing needs to use. In my DAV Audi A5, with really dual controls, on heat, on aircon. Sure though, although got 3 controls for the windscreen. That is on your, that's towards you. That's on the restaurant down there, and that's on your feet and windshield.
How much your car's worth in 30 seconds. Enter your reg number now. What's going on?
Spent a couple of years on the road with the band.
This is how to use the 2009 Volkswagen Golf stereo. Let's put it back to FM1. Got the radio station, radio 1, radio.
That's
talking.
There's all sorts of things that they can't do. And I just feel it is just on the edge of being too young. You know, Kirsty Allsop is fine. If she wants to do that, she knows her child better than anybody else.
Okay. They've got static. Heart. That's copyright nation.
Of September, after celebrating the 25th anniversary of Lord of the Dance in
That's copyright. On the front of TP, got menu. Got auto scan, text, scan set up. I'm going to put back in media. This car's got aux in and a USB port just for. No. Shit. You'll like this one off. For edit to go on YouTube. This is not going to YouTube yet. Sorry. This one we've got an auto port. So this has got an auxiliary port. We've got a dimming rear view mirror. I can turn it on and off. There you go. We've got light. We've got a sunglasses holder. Oh, the headlight is stuck in this vehicle. I've got a little sunglasses holder. Why the car keep locking itself? I don't like it doing this. That's what now. We've got. Right, I'm gonna stop the video here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment and subscribe, and press the bell notification. I will let when I upload a video, you get notified.